massive cyber attack starts with something small. A choice, a gap, a moment no one noticed. This channel breaks down the world's most notorious breaches, showing you exactly how they happened and why they worked. We study attacks from both sides, how attackers find their way in, and what defenders missed that let them succeed. You'll understand the methods, the psychology, the technical vulnerabilities that turned routine days into corporate disasters. Network architecture, human behavior, system design, policy failures. The gaps that seemed invisible until someone found them. And just when you think you've figured out the pattern, we'll show you the detail everyone overlooked. The assumption that felt so obvious, no one questioned it. Each episode is a full breakdown. Real cases, real forensics, real lessons. Not just stories, education. The kind that makes you see security differently. If you want to understand how systems actually fail, if you're ready to think beyond the surface, if you believe the best defense starts with knowing what you're defending against, then stay with us. Subscribe. The first story begins now. And trust me, you'll never look at an email the same way again.